Right, fucking right then, Airsoft fans. I never thought I'd be making a YouTube video, let alone flipping talking over one. This isn't me. I never thought I'd be doing it in a million years, but I've been asked. I've been told, in fact, by a friend, by a couple of people on social saying I've got to do it, so here we are. It's fucking peculiar. I've stolen one of the kids' microphones, and I'm here now getting this done. So today, well, it wasn't today because this was a week ago, we was playing at a place in the south of England. It's a team domination game. 7 flags to be captured. Team with the most flags at the end of the game is the winner.
Got them too.
We did decide as a team at the beginning of the game a strategy.
Got him.
And that was to
take out 3.
send different members of the team with different flags, overrun them.
That's how you fucking take some people out. Oh, let's have another at it.
And dominate the field before we even get going, which did work quite flipping well, to be honest.
You landed on your back, mate. Got him. You get him.
No, I think you don't.
Oh, incoming. Ben, someone down there with a fucking AEG going has got these like that. I don't know, down that way somewhere. Look.
That one there? That was what I was looking for.
Quite early in the game you can see that a little group of us stormed and took over a fair number of the enemy and pushed quite hard, and within a few minutes we did in fact take a flag, while the rest of the team did the same. It didn't take long for us to start dominating the field, let's be honest. You see the enemy there, getting his red flag up. All I can see is his head, so that's all he's going to get. Unfortunately it's a headshot situation only.
Well done, mate.
I kill the enemy, advance to the objective, puffing and panting like a paedophile, and get in and sort it out.
You got a flag up? Where are all the other flags? Oh, mate.
At this point I've just been taken out.
God, I fucking heard that, did some kind of start me. Keep that flag, Ben. Keep it up, if I just put the yellow up.
I have to go back to respawn now. It doesn't normally happen this fast in the game, but yeah.
Red flag up there, mate. Does this stop being our respawn?
No, it's always our spawn. They can't change the flag here. Yeah.
Yeah, it's got like a lot of tabs lining up.
Turkish Ben here now joins me.
That's what's in my fucking pop. Is that right there?
The plane you can hear in the background was actually a Spitfire flying over. A bit later in the day, a Lancaster bomber flew over as well. It was quite nice. Turns out there's an air show going on that's too far away. So we had a nice little display of old World War II planes. Made a good.
Don't let them get that flag.
Made a good soundtrack. Me and Turkish now start to push forward, taking all the enemy out as we go. It's quite easy pickings. The field is very varied. It's open with a lot of woodland. We keep to the edge of the woodland, taking out in the shadows anyone that can't see us. We're doing quite well this whole game. We're only getting, I think we got hit twice. There's no medic rule, so it's back to respawn as soon as you hit. Unfortunately, because I was playing at the edge of the woodland, the scope cam was obstructed quite a bit by leaves. So you don't get to see all the kill shots, which is a bit of a pain, but I suppose the objective and the gameplay was priority.
I'm just trying to shoot this way, sorry. What are you seeing, man? See anyone down there? No, it's our team members flying that way.
Anything exciting?
No, we've got that flag. He's just in it. Hang on, wait. I've got him, you got him, I've got him.
Dead now.
I didn't get him, Ben got him.
Why are you here?
Looked like I did.
Why are you here?
On the video, Ben smashes him with hundreds of BBs. I think the term is he made him have it.
4 brings everything.
So much here, we've got the flag there.
Where's your PID? To the left, there's a sniper by that blue container as well.
Where?
Blue container right out there by that tree.
Don't get it. Where? Is that over there?
There's one further on as well by the cables.
Oh, you cunt. The wind's fucking... By the table? Come on across you, mate, I'll get him. Can't get the sniper.
The wind going from the woods across to the open was phenomenal. It was blowing the BBs miles off course. And my gun shoots like a laser, but that was no compensation could compensate for the wind. It was not a chance.
Oh, I got a good running shot, fucking brilliant. Yeah.
Unfortunately, I didn't get it on camera. I didn't get it on the camera because I was the scope cam buried behind a load of leaves, which was a shame because it was a cracker. It was a freaking good cracker. Cracker of a shot.
What we got down there, lads? Where?
In front of you, mate.
Where you got? Can you see? You dead?
Yeah, I'm looking
for
something.
Yeah, we're being rained down from somewhere. Oh, fuck, mate. Where the fuck is that? Oh, someone knows where I am, but I can't fucking see him. Mind me owning here, Ben?
Yeah, I'm here.
Come in here then.
Wind's blowing over his bum.
Yeah, I've got to fucking blow him that way. He might be getting under his feet though. Did you say you hit? Once or twice?
That enemy player there took a couple of shots to be taken down. Again, I didn't get it on the scope cam, so I flipping Lee's in the way.
Ben, back right hand, far right hand side that white shed. Not the shed on the left, the shed on the right, the white one. He keeps poking his head out.
Spotted the player that's taking pot
down
shots
there.
at us. He's hiding behind the shed, keeps sticking his head round the corner, taking a couple of shots. Not had a chance of hitting us because he wasn't flipping nowhere near, but he was raining round about 4 or 5 metres away from us. Wasn't taking his time to get a good accurate shot. We spotted him and we took him out, as you'll see in a second. This sort of gameplay is what I really,
I got someone through the bushes. I could hear him shooting out like
what I really enjoy with Airsoft. You get a good team in a good formation and you push. You really gain some ground. It's nice. It's enjoyable. I was never thought it'd be my sort of thing when I started playing Airsoft, but it was for this sort of moment that I flipping love it.
Incoming, yeah, that's the yellow, isn't it? It's the yellow, isn't he? Yellow! Yellow!
Is he still behind it?
Yeah, it's behind there. Oh, I just shot him.
Take the left.
Go, get him!
One of our team players runs round the container, sneaks up on one of the enemy and takes him out. Me and Ben in this game are both running 14-inch MTW forged guns, PUs, whatever you want to call them, which are tuned very well. So we have got a slight advantage against other players with the range. Ben likes to run his gun in full auto though. I can't stand spending the money on the BBs. I'm a bit of a tight bastard.
What you got, mate?
Especially like running heavies. You can see all the team have convened in the woods, forming a nice line to push forwards. The site we're playing on is very varied. You've got a mixture of open field, woodland, CQB. We've stuck to the woodland in the shadows. We can shoot out across the field towards the enemy and through the woodland. But we did, as a team, dominate the woodland and push the enemy up into the field. Sniper Lee there, below my feet. He's running around just with his AAP, you can hear firing. He's normally wearing a ghillie suit, but it was too hot for him.
down there. We need to push down.
Where?
How was that film looking? Because if that
Oh,
film's
right.
looking good, we can push up on
Kind
the
of all hiding behind that thing over there.
Is that field clear?
Huh?
The field? Yeah, we've got the field.
Yeah, is it clear though? On that side. It won't be like more.
Oh.
When I say we've got the field there, we haven't got the
Oh,
field.
wait, I can see him, I can see him, I see him.
We've got control of the field as far as the woodland.
He's behind that tank down the end there. See that tank there? See it? That one, he's behind that. Oh, that's getting him in the face.
I'll take a couple of sighting shots here, ready for the enemy to pop his head up.
Where the fuck is that coming from? Oh, he just popped his head up.
Unfortunately, he popped his up at the wrong time.
He's going to get one of these right in the fucking boat race.
As you'll see in a second. Good job we had full face on.
Oh, I got him straight in the face. Yeah. Told you, yeah. Look. Cracking shot. Oh, he did like that.
Heads up, guys, respawns will be flipping in a couple of minutes.
Fucking
Yeah.
off.
So listen out for that whistle.
Sweet.
Well, you just move straight over.
Yeah. So your respawn will be up the bar. When
Yeah,
you
but when the whistle goes, we just carry on playing, but spawn the other side, or do we stop playing and start again?
No, you carry on, and then when you're shot, then you respawn.
Yeah, right, yeah, understood, yeah.
Gives everyone a fair crack from either side.
Fucking dog.
Come on, mate, he had a cracker in the face then. Oh, someone there. Running shot, you see him, Ben? Gone behind the wooden crates over there. There he is, someone's got him. Right, where's that coming from? Where's that coming from? Whereabouts on the right are they coming from? Someone's down there, I can't fucking see him. I'm getting the AK, Rich.
Who's your gun pistol
Hey?
there? Who's your gun pistol there?
Yeah, he wants to come out and run around.
Down there behind that tank.
What one?
Where I'm shooting.
Get him, Ben. Over there. Oh, he's behind, he's coming that way. Cracking headshot coming up. Cracking headshot coming up.
Stood around for a while in the middle of the game, defending the flag and pushing forward slowly. We're pushing towards the edge of the woodland and turn left into the field to try to take 2 of the extra flags. At this point I think we had 5 of the 7 flags. The video editing gets a bit rubbishy, so I had enough of it by now, to be honest. So the sound goes out of sync. But there was a sniper there, you can just see through the trees. I managed to get in the head. Again, all I could see was his head, so that's all I could get, to be honest. If you're still watching the video at this point, chuck a flipping comment in the comments to say edit your videos better, you lazy bastard, and I will spend a bit more time. I can't see anyone watching one of my videos up to flipping nearly 20 minutes. But if you are,
Pick them up behind, Ben. I'll pick them up. Who's picking them up behind?
let me know, and
Where are they? Where are
I
they?
will spend a lot more time editing them. But they're very tiring.
They just come across and go back. But when they come from the right, they respawn.
Are they red? Are they reds, eh? Are they reds? No, they're yellows, they're yellows, they're yellows. They're yellows. They're yellows. Alright, let's get back to where I was. He's a red, he's dead, he's got his aim in there.
I've been all the way out there in them trees the whole game.
I'm running low on ammunition.
He's dead. I'm staying here protecting the flag I got earlier. No one's taking it.
any coming this way?
No, I keep picking them off. If we can...
I'm going to head up towards the barrels on the right hand side of the road.
You're going to move forward, yeah? Oh, hang on. What's that through there? What's that through there? What's that through there? What's that through there? He's dead. Shooting through the trees. Hit. Oh, you're in yellow, mate. Is he yellow? No, he's a red. Got him. Yeah. That's when the rest of them over there are also reds. Oh, he's dead. Yeah, he's dead. Yeah. All right, mate. Yeah, well done.
Again, at the moment, the scope cam was worthless. It had leaves in front of it, so you couldn't see what I was shooting at. It's a shame because there was a good,
What have we got back this way?
a good little kill streak there. Well, we kept the enemy right at bay at this fucking point. Dominated the woods. Was pushing up towards the field, which you'll see at the end of the video if you're still watching. So you can see me, Turkish and Sniper Lee all sitting around waiting. We've pushed the enemy back to spawn, not back to spawn so much, but out of our area. Sniper Lee's taking the mickey out of me.
Right, shots through there.
I've got another video of him taking the mickey out of me as well.
Well, you sure you can't? We don't want to do like this flag, but I think we should.
If you are still watching at this point, just put lazy bastard in the comments because I've not done the editing properly, I've had enough. At least I know you are still watching 23 minutes into the video, and I will spend 3 weeks making the flipping thing instead of
No, I've got him,
a week and a half.
Is he our teammate? Is that a yellow? You're a yellow? You're yellow? Fuck's sake.
At this point, I just shot one of my own teammates. He's running around with a epoxy 2-tone gun that's painted red. I see the flicker red and thought it was enemy.
Shot from? Fucking hell. Was it purple?
I